Hello and good morning. Introducing a brand new concept of just a kurta. On most days, just a beautiful neem kurta will be enough to carry you for many different occasions. But most importantly, it will bring you so much joy. Wearing your hands stretching out for a nice kurta, you get it, you wear it. It's a joy that you cannot compare. You feel so fresh, you feel so good about yourself, and that is what this entire life is today. That's all that it is about. So yes, like you have seen a concept of joy of small things, which is about the small precious ones. Just a kurta is going to be a concept where we are going to regularly, hopefully, introduce to you fabrics which are just great for a kurta. Of course, we can match a dupatta with it for you, but if you really like to wear a nice summery kurta, and especially this season, we'll be doing it for you. But आज हमारा life is in two parts. The first one is going to be about some beautiful fabrics. You're going to be seeing a mix of premium cotton, of georgettes, of I think some raw silk. So it's going to be a mix of fabric. Then we're going to be going away for 30 minutes and we're going to be coming back with silk kurtas, which are just great on their own. So that's the whole theme. I will let you know. We're going to be showing as much. We'll show everything in the first. We'll go for a half an hour break and come back and show you. So this is also the last, I think, almost the last live of the week. We'll be focusing on giving you of these beautiful pieces and fabrics. We may actually do one more, but I'm not sure. But ये concept पे सिर्फ ये chance है for you to get some beautiful fabrics. Okay, something about what I'm wearing is, of course, just a kurta, just a nice neem kurta. इसके लिए तो मैंने bottom भी नहीं बनाया. So I've not even gone and made a bottom for this. A great piece to have in your wardrobe is a Munga silk fabric. This is the natural color Munga silk fabric. Now I have just, wanting to feel refreshed and nice and new. You pick out a kurta, you wear it, 2.5 meter, that is all that it will take. In fact, आज का जो पूरा pricing भी है, मैं आपको 2.5 मीटर के हिसाब से बताऊंगी. 3 आप लेना चाहें तो आप जरूर ले सकते हैं. But one straight nice kurta, even if you're tall, will take you about 2.5 meters from almost, up till XL. And if you're 5'5", it will still work for you 2.5. Of course, Taylor ji ki, सब उसी की बात है कि what they will do for you. But usually that's enough. So I'm going to give you 2.5 meter cost of everything that I do. For example, the pricing of this one is 17,000. Now this is our latest and newest, just for the season, premium cotton fabric, and you can see the beautiful motif right there. Now I've done these 2 pleats on both the sides, slightly bell leaf, just a straight kurta, a bottom that I already had in my wardrobe. I pulled it out and I'm just wearing that. और जितने भी आज लुक्स हैं, ऐसा ही कोई वर्सेटाइल वार्डरोब में आपके अगर बॉटम है, you can wear any of these kurtas. Now more importantly, take a pick on, I'm sure you can get more than one kurta today. So therefore, you will see a good range and mix. You will see 2.5 meter ka price coming along. Make sure you have a 2.5 meter munga. 2.5 meter munga plain is 6125. जरूर होना चाहिए आपके wardrobe में, जिससे आपका कोई भी कुर्ता पहना जा सकता है कभी भी. Okay, let's get started. This is exactly what I'm wearing. This comes out to be 17,000 for a 2.5 meter. This is our newest premium cotton. You have seen it last year in terms of the Florence Buta. This is our latest version of it. Now look at the detailing, all made in Karwa with our bestest premium cotton. Now if you have not experienced our premium cotton, 1.5 meter banta hai, just try it out even if it's for the first time. It's elegance, it's classiness, it's all of those things all together. You guys are most amazing turning up in the morning. And what I will do, मैं खोलूंगी भी इसको, but I will show you the colors, और कुछ मैं of course खोलते जाऊंगी. And that's the whole idea, to give you a bit of everything. Now look at that, this most beautiful green. I love this. Each color very unique. Okay, very unique. So मैं आपको एक खोल के दिखाती हूँ इसमें. ये देखिए. Now of course I've used lining. I've used our Mal cotton lining. You can see it's perfectly color matched. So this is our perfectly color matched Mal cotton lining, which is 480 per meter. This fabric you can buy 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter का cost is of course 17,000 per meter, cost 6,800 per meter. Now you'll see इसमें किसी में there's a touch of pink. Mine also has a touch of pink. In fact, you will see some variations in that coming along. Another option for you, and what a beautiful wine color. Look at that, and so crisp off from the loom. That's going to be the look. Now, I have taken a cut in the, you can see, right? You can see कि यहाँ से pleats है, यहाँ एक motif इधर भी आ रहा है. You can do it like this, okay? It just kind of adds a little joy to it. You can keep it completely straight. And अभी जो price point है मेरे पास और कुछ और एक और color में दिखाऊंगी. And then we will go on to something completely different. We'll show you different fabrics. In fact, I have a beautiful Georgette fabric that I want to show you. So I want to show you Georgette. Now look at that. That's a very lovely color option for you. And so I've shown you. I'm wearing. Now what will you call this? Are you going to call it a blue or are you going to call it purple? To me, it's like an indigo color. So this is my indigo. I've shown you green. I've shown you wine. And then now I'm going to show you this very lovely pink. अच्छा, इनकी जो खासियत है वो ये है that when you're wearing this, the whole idea is that you can really dress it up, okay? I've seen some most amazing looks, very dressed up, like with heavy jewelry, and you can go full on accessories and wear it to an occasions, because when you're wearing something classy as this, it could be anywhere, wedding, pre-wedding events, all of that will work. Day weddings. When I say weddings, I mean day weddings and the pre-wedding. It's a beautiful, nice, same on same look. Of course, you've seen me do it in Florence. It looks amazing. The same on same look. So if you're going to go for that, 5 to 6 meters. If you're going just for a kurta, which I think is such a great thing to kind of introduce yourself to Neve, then you're going to go for a 2.5 meter, wear a bottom. All of these. Now look at, oh my God, look at that. Now we've gone to a different texture altogether. These are all kurta cuts for you, which is all 2.5 meters. And 2.5 meters for 13,000. That's the maths. Look at the beautiful colors. So you'll see कि cottons में हमने अभी थोड़े darker colors किए हैं. Many of you asking us to do darker colors, which you can wear थोड़ा सा, formally. So that's there. We're going to be doing pastels in a bit. All of it is right here. But first things first, this beautiful range. Now, when you're looking for something super bright, attractive, I think it looks so good. Just look at this one. I think, oh my God, loving this. So look at the flow. Now when you're seeing it's a polka dot, it's a zari. Yes, it's a zari work, but this is also zari. But you see what we've done with our zaris. We've made it in such a way that we've kept it really simple, elegant, really great things to kind of push your looks up and keep it simple or really dress it up. Now I love this fabric. In fact, last night I was seeing a chat, somebody was asking, how's your Georgette like? Georgette is most amazing and you should go for it. Har kurta ye jo 2.5 meter ka hai, which is what, 13,000, yeah? 13,000. So 13,000 ka ye 2.5 meter aata hai aapko. Agar you want to go for cash and delivery, you can do a token amount and then you can do the balance when it comes to delivery. You can pay at that time. Now look at that. This is pure Georgette. And I want you to experience it. So go try one 2.5 meter ka cut. क्योंकि आज का जो पूरा concept है 2 lives, and this is our new concept. Hope you have seen the reel yesterday as well, where we showcased looks which are all about just having a nice kurta. Anyways, now look at that. That's the 4 colors of this beautiful fabric. 2.5 meters for 13,000. Such a great thing to pick up. What bottom can you do with it? Yes, you can do plain chinia bottom. If you're looking, now I'm just trying to show you a contrast. You could do it with even just a natural color. So moonga bottom ekdam hi essential hai aapke wardrobe mein. You have to have it. Now for me, I keep it a little flary like this. I've kept it in fact even a little shorter because I want to kind of usually kind of do it casually. I do have longer versions of my moonga bottom, but not this one. The natural one is a broad, medium broad, not too flary, and slightly shorter that you wear any kurta and it starts to look wonderful. Okay, let's get on from that to this, and this is 12,000 for 2.5 meter. So 12,000 hai 2.5 meter ka. Now, it is all about kurtas, but kuch options मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी so that wherever you're thinking, यार, I want a dupatta, but I want to keep it simple, then this is your dupatta. Look at that. That's your Chanderi cotton dupatta. Now, अगर आप ये 2.5 मीटर लेते हैं, which is 12,000, ये लेते हैं 3,200, और इसमें अगर आप बॉटम भी ऐड करते हैं 2450, मतलब 2.5 मीटर बॉटम, ये पूरा सेट है 17,650 दुपट्टा, कुर्ता and a plain bottom. So you know what we're doing, right? We're giving you really nice full look options you know, that you can just kind of wear anywhere. And a lot of these under 15,000, like such good prices. Look at that, it's absolutely wonderful. Now the idea is, मैं इस बॉटम को तो काउंट ही नहीं करने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग एक बार आप ले लोगे, एक बार बनवा लोगे, आप कई बार पहनोगे. सो इसको तो मैं नहीं करने वाली हूँ. जैसे इसमें मैंने आपको बोला, हाँ उसमें अगर आप चंदेरी कॉटन का सेम कलर का लोगे तो थोड़ा ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. सो दैट इज दैट. नाउ आई विल शो यू. I'm very happy. You may have seen a small introduction of this on Valentine's Day. But yes, you have seen our triangles, you have seen our heart version of fabrics, and look at the most exquisite, beautiful, premium cotton in white with meenakari and karwa. Okay, I cannot, I mean, it was such a tough choice. I wanted to wear this and this, you know, I thought what, but I have so many whites, so I decided to go for a color. It is the most beautiful fabrics that we have created in white recently, and look at it. It's just amazing, amazing color right there. So 2 colors of Meena, 1 gold touch, the composition of silk by cotton. This one is our latest launch. So you see what is happening. We've done a launch of Rosanna, and then we did a Gul Buta, and now this is like, so this week we did one really nice live with heavy pieces. Now this one you're seeing the follow-ups where you're seeing all the new launches of the season in this particular live. So look at that, it's a beautiful kurta. You just cannot miss it. 17,000 for 2.5 meter. That's the mass, okay? And again, if you have a really nice hot pink bottom, if you have a white chanderi cotton bottom, acha agar nahi hai, so that's also a really good thing to have 2.5 meter chanderi cotton bottom, which is for 2450, 2.5 meter. Okay, and that's really good to have in your wardrobe. You could wear this and alternatively wear it with pink. So you know, these things ek baar wardrobe building ke liye, you know, and we've done that for so many of you. We have gradually helped you get all of these pieces, like a nice munga bottom, like a chanderi dupatta, like a Georgette 18,800 wala dupatta in black, which you will wear and wear again. Tissue dupattas, all of those essentials. Now this is like spelling spring, summer like no other. Okay, I have one more color option in this one, and in this I'll tell you what we have done. Now this is option 1. Okay, 2 pinks and gold, and look at the beauty of this one. This one is even more beautiful. I mean, even more beautiful to mushkil hai. I'm going to say I'm really partial, you know, to what I make. So I'm going to leave it up to you what you find better. Now here you're seeing 3 colors apart from the zari and the base. So you see this beautiful touch of green, a hot pink, a light pink, and this. So you like the 3 colors, go for this one. You go for, you know, you like the 2 colors of pink, then go for this one. It's absolutely beautiful. All you will need probably, if you want to kind of wear a dupatta, is this. That's all that you will need. So the most exquisite cotton made by hand in our finest weave. That's what you're seeing in this whole life. I know many of you in India, you know, now like the season is changing. Everybody's looking for something new, something that's going to kind of elevate your mood, right? And I just think kurta is such a unique, wonderful thing. Kuch naya kharidna, kuch naya pehenna hai. You know, you don't want to kind of go all into it. Like you don't want to probably go for a heavy dupatta today or a full set. But you know, a mood for a kurta is always there. That's why the whole theme is on that 2.5 meter, which will give you just a kurta. Yes, many of these are by the meter. शायद आपको और भी मिल जाए कई में. So you should go for it. Now you're seeing this very pretty color. This is the blue and white. So we're doing, as I said, we're going to be doing the darker ones. We're going to be doing the pastel ones. We are doing it all. So what is the 2.5 meter ka iska price? If I can have it. That is 10,500. So now look at that. 2 colors. Yes, 2 colors for you to go. प्लेन बॉटम अगर आप ऐड करेंगे तो 2450, 2.5 मीटर का 2450 चंदेरी, या कोटा सिल्क दुपट्टा ऐड करेंगे तो 3,600. बट all in all, well within 20,000. So you know, that's the whole idea. So look at that. I love these 2 looks. I think the pink is so beautiful. I'm going to go now you know, to some linens, and you know, I'm going to show you everything that's possible. Some blacks from there, you know, let's show black kurtas as well, because so that's the, so look at that elegance of that resham. So 10,500 for a 2.5 meter. This is something you absolutely must try. Okay. how are you going to be placing an order? You're going to be placing an order on WhatsApp. You know, WhatsApp is connected right there to the live, and all you have to do is come with a screenshot and just say that, you know, that's for you. Now look at that, this is 1800 per meter, this is 1800 per meter. Now look at that, this is mulberry cotton. So 1800 into 2.5 अगर आप करते हैं तो 4500. So that's the maths. Now look at that, it's a beautiful black with a touch of yellow, and each one very very unique है. इसका मैं 2 आपको डिजाइन एक साथ दिखाऊंगी, but look at that, really light, easy. 4500. So literally from 4500 to 17,000. I think that's the range for the 2.5 meter. Mostly एक दो कोई अगर अलग होंगे तो I will let you know. But that's the range. So nice kurta, versatile kurtas, whenever you're in the mood for some freshness and something that you want to keep it cool, easy, you want to change your look, you don't want to go full on in, and you don't have the time to think so much. So you have these great kurtas in your wardrobe, जिसको आपने पहना और एक आपके पास नई look आ गई. Okay, we're going to go for this. Now I'm going to give only this fabric. So I want this only the fabric. Now look at that. That's a linen fabric and it's beautiful. So look at that. Look at the flow of this. This is going to be, okay, so this fabric particularly is going to be 19,500 for 2.5 meter. Yes, मैं सभी के आपको आज I'm trying to tell you the price of as much. It's a linen, it's fabulous. Now our linens are, okay, so we do have a dupatta. In case you want to go for a dupatta, you want to make it more dressier, we have the most beautiful dupattas. But इसी का white भी है. I want to show the white as well. So, you know, you see, this composition is super unique. This has 2 colors of zari. Now I'm going to show it to you in white here. A same on same look. Yes, it's nice, but of course थोड़ा सा dressy पड़ेगा. So you can go for a plain bottom again in chanderi. That would be good. In fact, if you have, as I said, if you have a munga bottom like the one that I'm wearing, you see it looks really nice. See, I'll tell you why we do a munga bottom, because it goes with the color of the zari. So that's the whole point. Very flowy, very cool, very classy. That's this one, and iska ek aur color hai which I'm going to show you. Now the really good thing is iske is fabric mein mere paas attached है chanderi. So if you're wondering कि आपका chanderi कैसा होता है dye होके, I will show you that also. Now first things first, look at this beautiful fabric. It is 19,500 for 2.5 meter. Okay, this bottom is 2.5 meter for 2,450, and look at the combination, so perfect. अब अगर आप दुपट्टा ऐड करना चाहें, okay, you want to add, then I will add it for you. Yes, we'll do that next. And this, look at that, this. So that's a beautiful look. I think it's absolutely wonderful. The dupattas, we'll be, you know, posting one video right after where you can just see dupattas in case you are looking for dupattas. So, you know, you've seen the fabrics which you're seeing right now. But remember that everything that you're seeing, all of these cuts are what I have in my hand. Now, this is 4,500 for 2.5 meter. Look at the very pretty, very cute. Yeah, looking at this. Yes, look at that. Really fresh and nice. Okay, now I'm going to be showing this to you. And also telling you that Bahar, that other Bahar that we just launched, okay, that sold out completely. We are now on pre-order. It'll take about 30 days to kind of get it made. But yeah, what a response. We had hundreds of meters ready and it's all sold out thanks to you guys. Now, 1,800 per meter. This is like 4,500 for 2.5 meter. आप bottom add करते हैं plain, तो आता है 2,450. तो और दुपट्टा भी ऐड करते हैं तो भी 10,550 में full set you will get. We will give it to you. Bottoms are all dyed. You can do same on same if it's available. So all of these cuts that you're seeing are these chota cuts that we have made, and you can kind of go for it. Now look at that, really hot, very pretty. This is 9,500 for 2.5 meter. Okay, अगर आप वेट करते आए हैं कि आपको कुछ लेना है, ये लाइव है परफेक्ट फॉर दैट. और इसीलिए पूरा मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट ही कि मैं आपको सिर्फ 2.5 मीटर का ही प्राइस बताऊंगी. एंड आई नो, एंड यस, for many of you who have been with us, it's like, you know, and you know, you take multiple pieces because there are multiple kind of looks and places where you can wear it. So it's a really nice one to do your quick summer shopping. So you say, ki, yeah, I'm just landing up here, and you know, you see so many things. My throat is so dry today, so I'm going to just take a sip of water. But that's the whole idea, you know, that quick summer shopping. That's totally possible by just coming up in one of these live and seeing all of that. Now, I'm going to show you this. Okay. Really pretty. 11,250. That's the price of 2.5 meter. Okay. मैं सारा जो आपको price बता रही हूँ, they're all of 2.5 meter. So now look at that. You have 11,250. You've gone for a kurta. It looks so incredible. Take a screenshot. Come on WhatsApp. Place your order. Now this one as well. Acha, beach mein I'm going to give you one surprise, and I'm going to do that, okay? Because I want to show you the newest shades of ombre in Chanderi. That's also going to come. But for now, just look at the beauty of this. It's such an incredibly flowy Meenakari fabric. And what a good price for it. Okay, that's your newest ombre, guys. I know, कई बार हम बताते नहीं हम क्या क्या दिखाने वाले हैं, but that's the whole idea, right? You have to turn up. What a beautiful new color, and it's so very pretty. What am I going to be wearing this with? You can just wear this with a plain Chanderi suit. You can go for our 4,800 cotton pure fabric with buta. But look at this beauty, guys. 5,800, that's the price of the dupatta, and it is ready to be shipped out. This newest color that we have for you, and one very popular color also made again. Now, oh my god, isn't that perfection? The tassels, the colors. This is a Chanderi dupatta. Now, if you're going to go for a Chanderi dupatta, with tassels in simple, then I think how much is it going to be? 3,200 plus 2,450. The price is going to be, yeah, that's going to be 5,650. And ombre, of course, here is such a good deal, guys, because I'll tell you why. 3,300 ke to hamare sirf ombre tassels ke charges hai. So you know what I'm saying? It's like the dupatta is for free itself. The tassels is what we're charging you. It's that good of a deal. 5,800. This beautiful, very limited pieces in this. Also showcasing the colors that were made, and here it is. This one is this. Now I could be wearing this with this. It's just amazing. So 2-3 color transition happening so smoothly and so beautifully. And this one, now this dupatta is back for you guys. So look at that. The rainbow is back. A brand new color. The green and the purples. So much. Oh, look at that. 5,800. So many kurtas from 4,500, 2.5 meter. Okay, let's get on there. From 2.5 meter to this. It's like just all things amazing. Okay, now this one, very pretty. Now look at this color. It's all things amazing. And just that touch of red, which makes it very, very pretty. What is the match? 10,500 for 2.5 meter. अगर मैंने ये 5,000 का दुपट्टा भी ऐड किया और bottom भी ऐड किया, still, if I add a plain bottom to it, 2,450 plus this dupatta of 5,000, my match will still be 17,950, and you have a very pretty piece. और of course, अगर आप bottom नहीं ले, एक बार अगर आपने ये ले लिया है मूंगा bottom, तो फिर आप ये कोई भी कुर्ता, and for this one, in fact, you can do a red bottom also to look very nice. That's one color. This is the natural color, which you can have it in any color, but I think the naturals also look so good. So, all things said, just a kurta, as I said, is so good for most of your days. When you want to look nice, when you want to look pretty, you're fresh, in fact, and you want to choose something that's been made with much love and care. And that's when you're going to be coming here and in this, going for this. Now, 2.5 meter for 5,500. This 2.5 meter for 5,500. What is it? It's Chanderi base. There's a checkered weave. There is also a print. All things pretty, all things nice in this one. Okay, let's show you this, and this is the next one. I love this. Each one so unique in their colors. Like 5,500. तो अगर आप 5 meter भी लेते हैं, तो it's 11,000 for a same on same. So which is really good because you get a full, very funky, nice outfit in it. 3,800 per meter. This one is going to be 3,800 per meter. So 9,500 का 2.5 meter का आपका आएगा इसका. This is now this is also premium cotton in brocade weave, and what a great deal. The price is so amazing. Iska guys natural color I wanted to show the last one, the natural color, which is a different design, but yeah, you can see it Like, look at that. Now this one, this is all silver design. 9,500 for 2.5 meter. So that's the price of it. Okay. And now look at that. That's a beautiful green. Isko again, you're going to be doing same on same. Agar aap karte hain, to bhi it's a very dressy, very pretty look for this season of, you know, weddings and celebrations and Eid and Ramadan. So all of that, okay. So uske liye ye sari hi cheezein hain which you're going to be kind of going for. Now this one is another 2.5 meter. I think this is also 9,500, but I don't know whether this looks lesser, so you can check if it is 2.5 meter. This wonderful fabric right here. Okay, in between all of this, we're going to come to these two very lightweight kurtas which are so good. 6,625 for 2.5 meter. So 6,625, look at that. If you want to add a Chanderi cotton dupatta, sure. If you want to add a plain bottom, sure. If you have something already, just take this kurta. 6,625, cash on delivery available. Okay, we ship all over the world. And so many of you, in fact, coming from USA and Canada and Australia and UK, like constantly. I mean, we are really blessed to have your love. So yeah, that's so many of you coming in. Now with that, you know, many of you looking for things like, you know, okay, I want a kurta, and you know, we are here and probably we just wear something once, and such a good live, you know, such a good shopping options for so many things. Now 7,000, okay, this is 8,500 for 2.5 meter, not 7,000. 8,500 for 2.5 meter. What a beautiful fabric. Again, a premium cotton. And look at the back. It's absolutely clean. This is absolute magic. It's so pretty. This kurta, when you wear, there is that zari base. Of course, the entire base is of zari. It looks special. It looks great, in fact. And let's add a little more to it, okay? If you want to just wear a nice yellow dressy kurta, it's great. I think it's also one of those fabric which is really wonderful for a same on same. So uske liye bhi bahut acha hai. This is really good for that. And then I'm going to add a little bit more just to show you if you want this dupatta. Now this dupatta is 14,800 and look at this beautiful set. Kya baat hai? Matlab, look at the colors, and I have more colors coming up with it. So 14,800 plus 8,500 for 2.5 meter comes out to be 23,300 for both these things. 2.5 meter plus dupatta. I'm telling you, take a Munga bottom if you don't have it already, because then you don't need to buy a bottom each time. So I'm not going to add that cost in this because that's like a one-time shopping only. Okay, this one. So now, so pretty. Each color, I'm going to show you the color options I have in it. This is one, and then I do have actually, you know, 3 more colors. Okay, so each one for you to pick up, the one that you like. Absolutely wonderful. Look at that. Oh, this is Munga silk. This is premium cotton. And yes, it's a great pairing together. Let's show you the colors that I have. And yes, this one live is going to get through to you for all your summer shoppings. So yeah, it's a great place to be. Now look at that. That's what a fresh green. And plain bottom, if you are somebody who loves a same on same look, sure, add a Chanderi cotton bottom to it. If you want to, you know, you're okay the way I'm wearing it with the contrast, then just buy that once and you know, you're done. Now this one will have tassels also. Isme dikh nahi raha hai, but this will also have a tassel, and it's such a pretty look. Now this live is all about premium cottons, chanderis, okay? It's a bit about, I would say, what is the other fabric that we're showing? I think mainly 2. Thoda sa mulberry cotton hai. That's also what we are doing. Yeah, I think that's that. Linen hai thoda, so that's also there. But yeah, that's the live. Oh my God, what a beautiful color. Or iske saath, you know, so this is the last color. I've shown you a blue, a green, a yellow, a kind of a pinkish reddish shade. And this pink, oh, so fresh, so fresh. And iska 2-piece ka jo daam aa raha hai, wo hai 14,800 ka dupatta, and this kurta ka fabric. So that is 23,000 something, you know, I think it comes out to be 23,000 something, 23,300 for this pair. Go for a plain bottom. It's very soft, very easy to wear. What is this fabric per meter? This one? what were the maths we were doing. So I'll tell you what is the price per meter as well, so that in case you want to go for it. 3,400 premium cotton. It's beautiful fabric. Cannot be missed. Okay, now we go on to silver zari fabrics. Okay, अब एक पूरा लाइन हम करेंगे सिल्वर जरी फैब्रिक्स का. जितने भी हैं we can do that. And 14,500. Oh my god, guys, I didn't see the color. Now I'm seeing it here. And look at this beautiful color right here. It's so very pretty. And yes, it's dyeable. The white is dyeable. 14,500. Now look at that. This whole color. It's absolutely amazing. And such good colors for the season. We've also tried to keep them all day, right? So like you can do morning to evening in any of these colors. They will look amazing. Just add a simple dupatta if you want in Chanderi and Kota silk. मैं एक बार में आपको दाम बता देती हूँ. Chanderi cotton dupatta 3,200 with dyeing and Kota silk dupatta 3,600 with dyeing. अब ये जब आपके पास दो दुपट्टे हैं तो आप कुछ भी चाहें कुछ भी पहने उनके साथ, because you can just complete anything. Now I have the most beautiful pastels. Okay, and from now we're going to go on to this, because we are going to look at this, all silver zari, all super pretty, 2.5 meter 12,000. That's the match. Okay, that's the match. And let's show you one by one. So अगर आप एकदम smooth pastel के mood में हैं, then this is what you're doing. So all you have to do, come on WhatsApp, ask us for a picture. We're very happy to give it to you. A picture or video of the fabric, and book your fabrics now. And honestly, all that I have in this, the materials available are right here. So what I'm showing you is what I have. And as I said, it's a beautiful live to go for multiple looks. एक आपने silver में लिया, एक आपने चंदेरी में लिया. Something you've taken a little more, darker, like the one that I'm wearing, because that will take you through so many, like functions and events. Oh, look at that. That's a pink. Very pretty. अब इसके साथ मैं दो आपको ना एक साथ दिखाऊंगी. I'm going to show you these two together. This is the natural color. It's, of course, it's dyed, but, there's this very light green touch to it. So this is one color. और ये जो है ये मैं किसी भी कलर में आपको डाई करके दे सकती हूँ. 2.5 मीटर 12,000. This दुपट्टा, like even this fabric, that's the thing with premium cotton. अगर मैंने इसके साथ बहुत भारी दुपट्टा भी पहना ना, it will still look nice. In fact, I'll tell you what, today I have not yet shot my style video. When I do that, I'll also make a video where I'll show you wearing the lightest Kota silk dupatta to wearing a dressy dupatta. How dressy dupatta जब मैं बोलूँगी आपको तो दो fabrics में it will look very nice with premium cotton. The one that I'm wearing, Chanderi cotton and Chanderi cotton, Munga silk and Georgette. इन सभी में अगर आपने एक heavy दुपट्टा पहना है इसके साथ, this fabric that I'm wearing, which is premium cotton karwa weave, and जिसके colors आने ही वाले हैं. I'm going to show you the colors. बहुत अच्छे लगेंगे even if you wear a dressy dupatta. Even with this is also the 12,000 category. Really nice. So this is the natural color. Okay, now we're going to go on to the very beautiful colors right here for you. Look at that. Each motif amazing. The price of each one of these 17,000. So these 17,000 वाले जो कड़वा weaves हैं, and you have so many options. First things first, one nice kurta will kind of completely change your look for the day. And as I said, you can wear a heavy Georgette Munga dupatta, even a heavy Chanderi dupatta. You can keep simple 3,600 वाला Kota silk dupatta जिसमें colors बहुत सुंदर आते हैं. Do we have that Kota silk dupatta again to show? I would like to show it if it's there. Otherwise, the Chanderi cotton is also good. I can show you the Chanderi cotton. Do you have any of the colors? Yeah, that's good. So the colors come out so beautifully in this fabric. It's amazing. We make it really thick and smooth and nice. Not thick in a bad way. Thick in a way that it's a flimsy sa na lage. Like that. Now there you go. Oh, one wonderful white. It's pretty. अच्छा आप मुझे ये मत पूछना कि ये dyeable है क्या? Everything that's white is not dyeable. Okay, guys, that's very important for you to remember. Oh, look at that. 17,000 for 2.5 meter. अगर आप दुपट्टा भी ऐड करते हैं तो भी like 20,000 के almost below है. And you do a white bottoms. Bottoms actually मैं गिनना नहीं चाहती हूँ. बहुत में मैंने गिना है because that's why I said buy one bottom, keep it aside. That's from a different budget of essentials. And then you go into this. Now look at that, so pretty this color. And you know, all of these same price, they look amazing, they feel good. And you know, yes, so 17,000 is what you're looking at. In fact, you know, I'll tell you the inspiration of this entire series of newest collection. Let's show the inspiration. I want these three motifs. Okay, the inspiration was our first creation that we did last year, which we now call it as the Florence Buta, because it was launched for Florence. Is this okay, so this is, you know, I can't see it. So yeah, so this is what you are seeing. Here you go, you can see all of this. That's the first one. That's the one that we had done, and this is absolutely amazing. Now you can see the feel of it, the look of it. Now many of you will recognize the fabric from this particular one. You can see it right here, and it's amazing. This is in fact the last cuts of the Florence Buta that we have done. For this one, we had done a same on same. Okay, we had done a same on same look. That was amazing. So it was really pretty. But today it's the same fabric, same zaris, all of these, the last cuts. So in case you like them still, then you should go for them. These are the last cuts, last colors. And apart from that, you can see here, okay, you can see here, one sec, okay, let's give it a moment. And yes, thank you. So here it is. Now there you go, you can see this beautiful fabric right here. And इसी के अब जो मैं colors आपको दिखाते जाऊंगी, I'm going to show it to you. Here it is. Let's show you these lovely, lovely ones. Now take your pick. You want to go for a pastel green. So you saw the initial fabric. Many of you have it. And this is the entire inspiration of creating so many motifs, so many colors that are going to look amazing. 2.5 meter is what you're going to be needing for just a simple kurta, and these lovely color options for you to choose from. So I think we're almost about done. We have like 5-10 more options that we're going to be showing you, and then we're done with all the fabulous pieces that we wanted to show you to create this very lovely look. Okay, and as I said, you're going to be spoiled for choices, but don't wait too long, because you want to get what you want, right? That's also essential, that you get what you want. Okay, so easy hai order karna. You have to see, you have to, and then just, you know, take a screenshot and then come on WhatsApp, and you know, yes, if you need a picture, surely ask us. Like these big butas are so dressy, so beautiful. Like look at that. I'm just going to show it to you like this. Oh, what a pink, what a pink. Wear a light dupatta, wear a heavy dupatta with it. It's absolutely versatile. Heavy mein kya options are fabrics ke? Munga, Georgette, okay? And of course Chanderi and pure cotton. Those will all be nice. This is premium cotton. It's a special composition of pure cotton and silk. That's the composition, okay? Now this one, 8,500, this ultra light, ultra beautiful fabric. 8,500 is for 2.5 meter. That's the, oh, look at that, this beautiful polka. Okay, so you saw it in Georgette, now you're seeing it in this. 8,500 is for 2.5 meters. One kurta is what you're looking at, you know, to get. Okay, now this one is another option, and we are just at the very end of this whole live, where we're just showing you the very last options. Now look at that, it's make pink meena, very beautiful. This is 10,500 for 2.5 meter. Remember, all the prices that I'm telling you today are for the 2.5 meters. Some of them are of course available more. In case they are, you can always check them and you can get them. But in either case, a just a kurta off knee, एक kurta बस अगर आपने पहना है, तो it will give you a completely different, you know, the same price. This is also 10,500. Now you'll see there is a touch of green. It makes it dressy, it looks beautiful. Okay, let's get the raw silks now, and I will show you. You know, I think it looks amazing. Just a same on same, sure, a light kurta, A-line kurta, silhouettes. So we're talking about silhouettes that you can try. Mera pura aaj ka, you know, whole concept of this, that a silhouette you can use making 2.5 meters, which is of course thoda sa you'll get detailing and all. Now you can see I have this, all of this detailing, so that is possible. And uske alawa, you know, we just kind of keep it simple and wear a, you know, bottom that we have. What a beautiful color this is. 12,000 for 2.5 meter, and you know, really a look which will look wonderful with the same on same. So hot, so good, guys. In fact, I would wear this as a bottom to this as well. You know, it will be very, very dressy, very nice. But alternatively, alternatively, this is itself very pretty. So there you go. That's a black, a lovely one. This is a pink, and this is, so I have a blue, I'll show it to you. But first I want to just open this fabric. It's a raw silk fabric, ultra, look at that, flowy, and it's got embroidery on it. There is a stunning black to it. Let's show you the black. And you can, okay, now this, when you're going for this, it's 12,000 for 2.5 meter, which means that you have a really nice formal kurta in that price range. Okay, so you have a very pretty formal kurta that you get that looks amazing, that feels great. There you go. This one I think is so nice, the whole flow of it, that it has to be enjoyed. This would also be good for a A-line, but A-line jahan aapka ye cut na ho boota. For me, I always prefer that, you know, they're all like together in one, so you can go for that. That's the last color, 12,000 for 2.5 meter. That's the match, okay? And we're on to the last 2-3 fabrics. One thing I want to show you is this linen fabric. Okay, so this is one of our premium fabrics from today. This is 24,500 for 2.5 meter. It's one of our finest woven Meenakari linen fabric. So this is just a kurta again that you can be wearing it. In fact, I have this kurta and I'm wondering where is it. So I have to wear it. It's a beautiful white kurta that you have to kind of wear and enjoy. This one, now this is again, so this you will see, it's a karwa weave. Okay, somewhere there's lots of, okay, you will see this karwa weave, and this is 12,000 again for 2.5 meter. This is the last one, the same price. The very last piece that we have for you today is this. So many options for you, and let's just first show you this and then I'll talk about what's coming up. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. It's a very light pink color. So if you know, I'm just doing it as a bundle because it's this. Okay, so now let's just recap very quickly on what we've done. We've done just kurtas, which means beautiful fabrics. 2.5 meter jisko aap le, 3 meter le, whatever. But just a kurta means that, you know, you can just elevate a look. You can look fresh and feel great in this season of change. And, you know, without going all in, keep some versatile bottoms in your wardrobe like a Munga silk or a Chanderi cotton in natural color, and keep changing your kurtas. You get a new look without really, you know, deep diving into, you know, your wardrobe. So that's the whole idea. And this is the first live. Now in this first live, we have worked more around premium cottons and Chanderis and some fabrics of linen. So that was the first live. The second live, which is going to be in about half an hour, so it's 10:44, and we're going to come live again at 11:15, where we're going to be showcasing to you what are we going to be doing. We're going to go to Katan silk. So we're now completely switching our modes. We're going to go to Katan silk because I know in this season आपको इनकी भी जरूरत है और उनकी भी जरूरत है, both, you know, and both giving you very different looks and feel. So because it's a season of weddings and celebrations, and you know, of course Eid is there, Ramadan is there, so all of that. So silks bhi hai, cottons bhi hai, because this is like all time you can wear it to a party, to an event, to work, just about anywhere. So I will see you in exactly half an hour, and meanwhile, you know, make sure that you have, we just post this live, take a screenshot, come and place your order. Bye guys.